Right, I think we'll have a little look at the Rutter Force waterfall. It's not far down here now. I just hope I can park, because there aren't many parking places. And yes, I can. So we'll have a look round here for 10 minutes. Again, this is a smart little place to pop into, as long as you can park. But through the week it's not too bad. We'll pop up onto the bridge here and we'll have a look at the waterfall. There we go. Very nice. Pan around here a little. Nice little ford there to drive through. One, because it's you can only get a short video of this really. Anyway, we're just gonna have a walk down here now, get a better view of the waterfall. There we are. Not had much rain, so there's not a lot of water coming over it. I've been here when it's been really bad. Top flow coming out of it. Such a nice place, yeah. Rutter Force waterfall, Yorkshire Dales. We'll have to go through the ford.